a lot of videos to react to today, and I mean a lot, so prepare yourselves. Well, I should be saying that to myself because I might die. Hey guys, I'm ThatKpopBoyJaylen, and today we're going to be reacting to some more CLC content. So today we have a big reaction today. So this is probably gonna be like a long video. So today we're gonna be checking a lot of live stages for CLC's Helicopter. But first, I have gotten a request from one of my comments to check out Knock Knock. Knock 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 was what they did. It's basically they go through various of their singles and then right to their recent one. So this one is where they're going to be doing a bit of Hobgoblin, a bit of Black Dress, and then onto Helicopter. So yeah, I can't wait to check this out. And then after this, live stages. It's going to be, yeah. So yeah, prepare yourselves because like I said, this is going to be a long video. So I can't wait. So yeah, without further ado guys, let's get this reaction started. Alright guys, in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh wow, right away. Nice. Oh my god, yeah. Jeez. Wow, they still got it. They still got the dance, right? Oh my god, Unbin. No. Oh my god, Soren. Oh my god, Jin. Songhee, oh my god. Dude, ice. Oh my gosh. They still got it. I love it. Cheese girl. Oh, okay, second door. Okay, that makes more sense. That's like a next door. Oh, Black Dress. Oh my god, so young. Black Dress. Black Dress. Oh my god, so young. Jeez. I am digging these outfits. Oh my god, girl. I'm okay. Black Dress. Holy. And then the next door, the final door, Helicopter. Going up, Helicopter. Oh, they changed their outfits. I go up, Helicopter, never give up, like a pilot. Okay, yeah. I swear to God, I'm gonna dress up. I might dress up as one of these the backup dancers just for fun. Oh gosh, I'm in the zone. I wanted more. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I can't get enough of that part. Yeah, I go up, Helicopter. Oh, this. I go up, Helicopter, never give up, like a pilot. Okay, Soren. I forgot there was a body roll in that point. Ooh, Ooh, like a pilot. I'm a pilot. Oh my god, I'm in. Oh my gosh. Kill it, yeah. Oh, I go up. Helicopter. I like the lighting. Like just the timing of the lighting for this song. I go up. Helicopter, never give up. Oh, okay. I see what they did there. Just okay. You know what? Based off if I keep looking at this dance, guys, I might do a dance cover. Maybe. Like I'm a pilot. And breaking their backs. I probably gotta break mine. Oh my god. Yeah, oh my god. Girl! Oh, jeez, girl. Oh wow, no wonder I keep hearing like foot stomping. I was like, okay. Okay, Sungyeon, relax. Go it. Oh, helicopter. Gonna make hella noise, gonna take off. Go up, helicopter, never give up. Like a pilot. Never give up. Ooh, I'm a pilot. Oh man. That was, oh wow. Okay. Right. Oh, what the frick? There's no more. Okay, ever seen the girls leave? Okay, they took a key. Oh. Oh, it's just the end screen.
I go up, helicopter,
oh, that's so cute. Okay. I like that ending. I'm gonna carry this up. I'm gonna carry my mic for a sec. Okay. Alright, so that was Hobgoblin, Black Dress, and Helicopter for this Knock 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 segment, which was awesome. I liked it. I like how they brought back some old songs and then go to the recent song. Amazing. I love it. So yeah, so this just gets me hyped to check out the live stages again. So I can't wait to see the other live stages. So on to that. Okay, so the next one we're going to check out is from NBC. So can't wait to check this one first. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my god. Holy moly. What? Helicopter. It'll make hella noise, gonna take off. I go up. Man, these outfits. Look at this. I love it. Like a pilot. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Gotta make this louder. It's like a little quiet. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone. I wanted more. I wanted more. Okay, Elkie. Oh my god. Bin. Her hair too. Jeez. Oh my gosh, man. Here comes. Kick it. Okay. Oh, damn. Sungyeon, man. Oh my god. I like the background too, because it's like the same colors of their album cover. Not the album cover, but like the single cover. I go up, helicopter. Oh my god, Sungyeon. I'm Sungyeon. I mean, Jesus. I'm so sorry. Never give up. Ooh, like a pilot. Man, they're going hard on this dance. Okay, sword. Is up. Never give up. I'm a pilot. Oh my god, Eugene. Oh my god. Umbin. Sung Hee, girl. Mm. Oh. Damn, she hits hard in her dances too. Damn. Oh man. Oh my god, girls. Jeez. Gosh, that part I can't. Yeah. Oh man. Fire, flyer. Helicopter. Gonna make hella noise. Gonna take off. I go up. Helicopter. Never give up. Oh my god. Just yo. Oh, that backup singing just now. Sword. Does her got more purple for some reason? I don't know why. I don't know. This it might be just me. Oh my god! Stop waking, please, please, please. Yeah. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh no, not Sungyeon too. Oh no, girl. Jesus. Oh my god, the body waves in the end. I swear to God. Oh god. Oh. Okay, Sung-hee! Okay. That never give up. Ooh, I'm a pilot. Wow. Damn, the vocals from Sung-hee, damn. I know it's not, I know wasn't physically singing, but like, damn. Oh, man. So good, girls. So good. Oh, Eugene with the end pose. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. So that was NBC. That was the first live. Well, no, this is technically the second live stage that I've watched. So. Hold on. Okay. Love the stage. Love their outfits and stuff like that. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Next one. To the next live stage. Alright, we're gonna check out the second live stage. Well, okay, sorry, I keep saying second. The third live stage. Technically, it's second for this reaction. And I can see that they're wearing white outfits. So yeah, let's get to it. In 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my gosh, they're wearing whites. Going up, helicopter. Make hella noise, gonna take off. I go up. Oh. Never give up. Like a pilot. Oh my god. Day. Kill it. Yeah. I'm in the zone. I want more. Ben, jeez. Man, Sungyeon just kills it, that part. Yeah. Compass, a compass. Yeah. Higher. I go up. Helicopter. Gonna make hella noise. Gonna take off. I go up. Never give up. Like a pilot. Danger. Oh my god, Soren. Jeez. Woo. Oh my god, Yeon. Oh shoot, sorry. Oh, slow that part. Oh my gosh. And this part, oh god. Holy girls. Sungyeon. Oh, Eugene. Mm. Fire. Oh, high note. Make hella noise, gonna take off. I go up, like a helicopter. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, sword. Gosh, girls are killing it. Oh my gosh. That part. Oh gosh. Yeah, please. Oh, okay. Sorry, that camera, I know. Oh no, oh no. Oh, this angle. Oh god. Oh, jeez. Sungyeon. Holy crap. Oh, Soren. Go it. Helicopter. Make hella noise, gonna take off. Helicopter, never give up. I'm a pilot. I mean, like a pilot. You get the game those mixed up. Oh my god, Soren. Never give up. I'm a pilot. Boom. Jeez, killing it every single time. Oh, Eunbin gets the end pose, and Sungyeon too. Holy. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. So that was CLC's live stage on SBS. Well, basically in Inkigayo. Inkigayo. Yeah. I hope I said that right. Anyways, I loved it. I really loved it. Oh, so good. Holy moly. Oh man, it's just I think the white. I don't know. I like the white on them, on the white outfits on them. But goddamn. All right, onto the last one. Okay, so we're gonna check out the last one, which is KBS, which is Music Bank. I can't wait to check this out. I don't think technically this will be the last one, because you guys might be asking me to watch more live stages if some of them come out. I don't know. We'll see. I probably will. But oh man, just they killing it. Just killing it every single live stage. I can't wait to check this one. So yeah, I can't wait. So in 3, 2, 1, now. Ooh, like a pilot. That impulse is so sick. Oh. Are they wearing red? Holy, oh my god, Sungyeon. Jeez. Okay. Oh my god, I love this stage. What the hell? I go up. Helicopter, never give up. I'm like a pilot. Oh my god, I love this! Oh my god, Yeon. Girl. I'm in the zone. I wanted more. I wanted more. I'm digging these burgundy outfits. Holy crap. Oh my god. Jeez, Eunbin. Spell it out. Sorry. I'm just gonna keep saying that every time she does that. Oh my god. Physical, physical good, yeah. Oh my god, Eugene. Ben. Helicopter. Gonna make hella noise, gonna take off. I can't do that part. The hands. Helicopter, never give up. Like a pilot. Jeez. Oh my god. Wow. She put her hair in a ponytail. Soren. Like a pilot. I'm a pilot. God, I keep mixing them. Sorry. Oh my god. Eunbin. Jesus. Yeah. Kill it, Sunghee. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I love that part. Oh, and this part, Jesus. Okay, girls. Jesus. Girls. Girl. Move closer, camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. On fire. Helicopter. Gonna make hella noise. Gonna take off. I go up. Helicopter. Never give up. Like a pilot. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Soren. Oh, kill it, girls. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Jeez. Oh, Jesus. The winks again. I can't. Songyang, I swear to God. Oh, Jesus. With the hip movement. Oh. Going up. Oh, yeah, the high note. Oh, up. Helicopter, never give up. I'm a pilot. Danger. Rise up. Never give up. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh yeah, oh, with the end pose again. Oh my god, girl. Shit. Sorry. She winked at the camera again. God damn it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, that was it. That was all the live stages so far. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Okay. That was just good. That was amazing. Like all three of those live stages that I checked out today. Amazing. Really amazing. And also the first video I checked out, which that knock 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 video, but holy moly, this was great. I loved it. I really loved it. And it's good to see, like I said again from the last video, it was good to see them doing the live stages, and you know, it looked like they were working hard. I can see they're working hard. I hope they get a win. I hope they do. I don't know if they did, but I hope they do. But like they deserve so much love. Like, oh shoot, yeah, they deserve so much love because I'm loving them, and this is amazing. Man. But yeah, you guys let me know if there's any other CLC helicopter vids that I haven't checked out yet. Hopefully I get to check them out soon. And yeah, just I'm gonna keep supporting my girls, and you keep supporting your these girls. I'm talking to all you chair shears. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my reaction for today, guys. All right, guys, laters.